In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send multiple emails in Yahoo at once. We'll do this using Yahoo Mail and an existing contact list, which lets you message a group in one go. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Yahoo homepage. I'm using the Singapore site here, but the layout is similar in most regions. Look to the upper right and click Sign In. On the sign in screen, choose your existing account if it's shown, then enter your email address and password to log in. For security, make sure you're on the official Yahoo domain and look for the padlock in your browser's address bar. If Yahoo asks for additional verification, just follow the on-screen prompts. This helps keep your account safe. Once you're signed in, return to the top right and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. If you see multiple mail buttons or links, clicking any of them will take you to your inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, find Contacts. Depending on your view, it may appear in the left sidebar or under a people icon. Open Contacts, then switch to the List section. A list is simply a group of contacts you've organized together, so you can email them at the same time. If you already have a list created, you're set. If not, consider setting one up later so you can reuse it for future messages. Select the list you want and choose Email this list. Yahoo will open a new message with the recipients from that list automatically filled in. This is the key step that makes sending to multiple people quick and consistent. Add a clear subject line that tells recipients exactly what to expect. Keep it concise and specific so it stands out in their inbox. In the message area, write your email as you normally would. If privacy is a concern, especially when recipients don't know each other, consider using BCC in your future group emails so addresses aren't visible to everyone. Also, keep your message respectful and relevant to avoid triggering spam filters. Before sending, give everything a quick review. Confirm the correct list is selected, your subject is accurate, and your content is ready to go. When you're happy, click Send. Yahoo will deliver your message to everyone in the list at once. That's it. You've used Yahoo Mail's contacts and lists to send a single message to multiple recipients efficiently. Keep your lists up to date, send only to people who expect your emails, and be mindful of setting limits to maintain deliverability. Thanks for watching, and